car stops astride the line,
Yep.
you press the red button here.
Yep.
The 1 indicates there's 1 time in the clock,
Okay.
and that's his time.
Okay.
000530.
Okay.
You can ignore those numbers up the top right.
Okay.
First thing to do is shout that out and get
Yep.
your mate to put it on the check sheet.
Yep.
Okay, and then fill in his time on his time card,
Right.
sign it there.
Okay.
And the third thing to do is to touch that chip onto
okay.
there. Okay, so basically you do it like that. And if you do it with the display showing,
Right.
you can see the red light comes on.
Yep.
Just indicates that it's.
And the clock automatically starts again, I see.
It does.
Right.
Now,
Okay.
the clock will store up to 10 times. So
Yes.
if you're dealing with a car under control and another car comes in,
Yep.
you can press the red button again.
Yep.
The 2 indicates there's now 2 times in the
Yep.
clock, but the time that's displayed is still the time of the first car. So
Okay. Oh, that's
finish
handy.
with him,
Yeah.
and then when he's gone, it will go back to showing 1 time, and that's the time of the second car.
Okay. Oh, that's good.
So normal conditions with no cars in the control, you shouldn't see anything there, and it should be a running clock.
Right. If not,
If you see it, if it looks like that,
Yeah.
then 1 or 2 things has happened. Either you've accidentally touched the red button,
yeah.
or more likely that time belongs to somebody who you've not chipped.
Okay.
So if you find the clock that looks like that when there's no cars here, the first thing to do is record that time somewhere. So put it on your check sheet and say after car 25 we found this time in the clock.
Right.
It gives the results people, because that will be somebody's time, because the results people have a chance of sorting the problem out.
Okay.
All right, and then once you've recorded it somewhere, you can clear it with the grey button, but just
Right.
use the grey button carefully.
Right. Okay.
All right,
What happens if you use the grey button now?
it does nothing at all.
Okay.
All right,
And can you press the red button and the grey
you
button?
can, yeah,
Nothing will happen. That doesn't
That's
interfere
perfect.
with anything.
not at all.
Okay. So I can practice a bit.
You can practice a bit. Obviously, you can't chip it.
No, because I don't have the chip.
But
No.
Yeah, so you can certainly practice.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So do you want to just have a dry run and imagine I've screeched?
So blah 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 blah. Stop. And the 000746.
That's it.
So it's 6 digits that I get.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then.
You need to write it on the time card first.
All right. Okay.
You've now lost the time. Well, you haven't lost the time because
okay.
your mate's got it on the check sheet.
Right.
Yeah. So three,
All right.
three things to do: shout it out and get it put on the check sheet. Then write it
So
on
write
there,
first
and then chip.
and chip as last.
Correct.
Okay. Good. Perfect. Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
So,
It's
It's
the.
the other side.
010.
In the hour now.
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Stop. 010227. 010227. Thank you.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
012104. Thank you.
Oh, 0529 120529. Thank you.